She does. She does. She wants to see it. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I got a normal deck of cards here, right? I want you to pick a card.
Any card.
Take one out, any card. Take it out. There you go. Look at it. I'll go over it.
Show camera.
Show the camera.
Sweet.
We'll just place it back in the middle.
Okay, don't knock.
I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. Okay, watch. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the deck. Now, normally in a trick, your card comes back to the top, right? You find that to be true?
Yes.
Is that your card?
Yes.
Okay, wait. I don't think that's too impressive. I don't think so. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try. We're gonna try an experiment.
Really cool.
We're gonna try something cool. What I want you to do is your card's a 3.
Yes.
Picture your 3 in like a snowstorm, like a blizzard, right? Just white snow everywhere. Can you picture it just disappearing so all you can see is white? Can you do that? Are you doing it?
I'm doing it.
Watch. Watch. Watch your 3.